Let us begin our study to know the actual structures of these ionic crystals, especially cubic ionic crystals. I already told you there are six types of cubic ionic crystals. Number one, rock salt. Number two, cesium chloride. Number three, fluoride. Number four, antifluoride. Number five, sphalerite. Of course, it is zinc blende. Number six, perovskite structure. Let us learn in this part fluoride structure. As an example, calcium fluoride. We are applying radius ratio rule to explain the structure. Before to actual explanation of the structure, let us know what is that radius ratio rule. Radius ratio means ratio of radius of cation to radius of anion. If that ratio is less than 0.155, type of void, type of gap, type of hole will be linear. Coordination number will be 2. If it is between 0.155 to 0.225, type of void will be triangular planar and coordination number 3. If it is between 0.225 to 0.414, the type of void will be tetrahedral and coordination number 4. If type of void is octahedral, then radius ratio should be 0.414 to 0.732 and coordination number 6. If void is cubic, then coordination number will be 8 and radius ratio will range between 0.732 to 1. Here what we will do, we will get the data for size of cation and anion, means radii of cation and anion, and we will find the ratio of them, where that ratio stands. Accordingly, we will get idea about the void. We will get idea about coordination number. So we will be with rough picture about the ionic compound. Then we will go to actual structure that experimentally we found. And rationale behind that will be clear to you. So radius ratio, its application, its importance and understanding of our structure, all things will be fulfilled. Let us find radius ratio for this calcium fluoride. Radius of calcium is 100 picometer and of fluoride is 136 picometer. So radius ratio is equal to 100 divided by 136. Answer is 0.735. If you remember the table for radius ratio rule, this 0.735 comes in which range? Yes, it is between 0.732 to 1. What does it mean? Cation has coordination number 8. Cubic void is present for cation. Means fluorides are arranged in such a way that cation calcium is surrounded by 8F minus. Now let us see the actual structure. I want to show actual structure. But if I put all ions there, the structure will become complicated. So before that, I want to ask you to imagine such a two cubes, one large cube and other small cube. Now what I am going to do, green colored, pay attention here, green colored calcium ions which are smaller in size, I'll put in abscissa arrangement in large cube, means at each corner and each center of phase there will be the green colored ions, calcium ions. What about fluoride ions? Fluoride ions will occupy the position of each corner of inner cube. 8 fluoride ions are there. They are larger than calcium ions and they will be placed at each corner of the inner cube. Are you imagining? So resultant structure, see how it will be. Yes, can you understand the structure? What I said? Calcium ions will be at FCC position in a large cube and fluoride ions will be at each corner of inner cube. Actually, each corner of inner cube is tetrahedral void. What does it mean? All tetrahedral voids, all 8 tetrahedral voids are occupied by fluoride ions and calcium ions are in FCC arrangement at each corner and at each center of phase. Outer cube I am talking about. Calcium ions are there. Those are green in color. Till now I was representing green colored anions. Now I am representing here. See, pay attention. Calcium plus 2 ions are green in color. It is a basic arrangement that I am considering. Are you getting this point? Now let us find the coordination number of each ion. Say calcium ion. What do you think? One calcium ion is surrounded by how many F minus ions? 8. And the same thing was said by the radius ratio rule. Cubic void will be formed by F minus ions and at that cubic void calcium ions will be there. Now you have to imagine, see, here I have shown you 4 layers. Extremely away from us, dark blue colored large square is there. Little bit near to us, the second layer I say, white small square is there. Further little bit towards us. Next, white small layer is there. It is a third layer. And fourth layer is a large square. It's a pale blue in color. Are you imagining those 4 squares? One large blue, small white, and pale blue, large in size. Now you have to imagine one more such white small square in front of the pale blue colored large square. So at the corners of that small white square, there will be the F minus ions. So those 4 F minus ions that we are imagining and already 4 F minus ions that I have shown in the third layer, that is a white layer. Within those 8 there is a green colored ion, which is that calcium ion. So calcium ion is surrounded by 8 number of F minus ions. So what is the coordination number of calcium plus 2 ion? 8. Now let us talk about fluoride ion. What is the coordination number of F minus? As we have discussed in the zinc blende structure, corners of the inner cubes are there. Those are the tetrahedral voids, means those are surrounded by means of 4 other kinds of ions. I make this concept clear. Let you consider any cornered F minus ion. Nearest to it, you will find 3 face-centered, 3 calciums which are at the centers of faces and 1 calcium which is at the corner. So what is the coordination number of F minus ion? 4. So first time we are getting 2 different ions with different coordination number. Let us repeat. Calcium plus 2 ions have coordination number 8 and F minus ion has coordination number 4. Let us find stoichiometric ratio between calcium and fluoride ions. What do you think? In this unit cell, how many anions or how many fluoride ions are there? Right. 8 fluoride ions are there because all fluoride ions are inside the cube, inside the unit cell. Each fluoride ion has contribution 1. So total number of F minus ions are 8. Complete F minus ions are 8. And what about calcium plus 2? FCC arrangement. So there should be 4. How? 8 at corners. So total complete contribution will be 1 upon 8 into 8 is equal to 1. And 6 are at centers of faces. So their contribution, complete calcium plus 2 ions will be 6 into 1 by 2 is equal to 3. So 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. So total number of complete F minus ions present in this unit cell are 8, while calcium are 4. So what is the stoichiometric ratio? 4 is to 8. It means 1 is to 2. It means for 1 calcium, there are 2 fluoride ions. So what can be the formula? CaF2. Yes, and that we consider calcium fluoride means CaF2. So stoichiometry, coordination number by radius ratio rule, all the things are verified by means of this structure. Are you following? Other than calcium fluoride, which other salts are there? Which other crystals are there? They show such fluoride structure. Uranium dioxide, barium chloride, mercuric fluoride, lead dioxide. They do show fluoride kind of structure. Let us learn to draw the fluoride structure. Here, calcium fluoride as an example we are considering. By this, what are the previous structure that I have shown? If any problem or issues remain about understanding, now those will be the very clear. Students, we need to imagine such two kinds of cubes, one large and other is small. Large cube is for the calcium ions, FCC kind of arrangement. And small cube, at corners of that small cube, fluoride ions will be there. Now how to draw that? That I am showing. Just pay attention. First draw backside face of the largest cube. Means I am drawing here large square. Here I represent it by blue color. Then place green colored small calcium ions at corners of that square and at center of the face. Are you following? Now draw second layer, that's a white layer of backside face of inner cube, and at corners of that inner cube face arrange red colored large sized fluoride ions. Now you can see the backside face centered green colored calcium ion is there, but now it is shielded by, or it is protected by, screened by, blurred by that white layer of the inner cube. Now draw the third layer of square, a small square, a front side portion of the inner cube. There later on we are going to place which kinds of ions? Fluoride ions. Now place fluoride ions at the corners of that square. I think that you will imagine now inner cube, and each corner of the inner cube is occupied by red colored large fluoride ions. Now draw a front side face of the large cube, large square, and at the corners of that large square place our small ions, metal ions, calcium ions. Now arrange or place the calcium ions at face-centered positions, whichever the remaining face-centered positions are there, they're all calcium ions will be entered. If I would have shown you directly the structure, the complications will be there. So stepwise developments I have shown to you. Here, three questions are for you as homework. First question is, you have to just mention the coordination numbers for each ion in calcium fluoride. Means coordination number for calcium plus 2, coordination number for F minus. Second question is, what is the stoichiometric ratio between calcium and fluoride ions in calcium fluoride? Already I had given the answer, but you have to mention there in the comment box as an answer for second question. And third question is, I had given the different examples for such fluoride structure other than calcium fluoride. So take any one example and find radius ratio for that crystal and do prediction for type of void present. Are you getting these questions? Let us discuss one more structure, antifluoride, in next part.